Okay. I am Darryl from D-Tech, Dashcam Installation Company and private hire and Hackney carriage CCTV specialist. Today we're doing a Safe Systems installation with with 3 cameras. We've put the privacy button here. We've taken out this box and put the unit behind, as there's a massive void, so the driver hasn't lost any space here. We have 3 privacy buttons. One just there, one there, and one on the front. We have a 3rd camera here to capture the last row of seats at the back. This is a Seat Alhambra. Here we have the flip monitor, just on the dash there, showing 3 cameras. We have here the cabin camera, driver and front passenger and middle row seats, audio activation button for the microphone, and a little LED display that just lets you know the unit is working if you have the monitor closed, or some drivers don't want the monitor. So from here you can see it's all working, power, recording, hard drive, GPS, etc. No wires, this is a whole wireless installation service. Then you have another audio button here. The 3 audio buttons, that's the 2nd one and that's the 3rd one. The purpose of these are if the driver feels threatened by the passenger, something they're saying or doing, the conversation you feel uncomfortable with, driver can press his button and everything will be recorded, all the sound in the car. Camera is on automatically as soon as you start the car. And then for fairness, anyone in the middle row here, any passengers, if they feel the driver is speaking inappropriately, they can turn their button on, record the sound in the car and the conversation. And then again, if anyone's in the back rows here, they can do the same, just for fairness. And then you got the passenger camera up there, again wireless installation. That's capturing these 2 fold down seats. This will be the same in the Ford Galaxy as well. And then you got the middle row here, which is captured by that camera there. And then the 3rd camera is just behind the rear view mirror, just there, which is facing the bonnet for the insurance. So if you have an accident, you're covered at the front there. All nice wide angle. Because it's dark right now, it's night time, the little red glow you're seeing, that is the infrared. It's not actually that bright when you're sitting in the car, it's just because my camera is on and I've got my LED lights on my head on, so it's a lot brighter. So that now will change the video. Don't know if you can see the monitor over there. The video quality now has changed to black and white because it detects it's too dark inside the car. But to the naked eye, you don't see that. It's very, very faint. And that's all wired to the fuse box, so if anything goes wrong, it's easy to fix. And that's it.